Everyone, and welcome to Vlogmas day 12. Waiting for the bus, but the bus is not here. It's not here. Anyway, we keep waiting. Yesterday was 13 minutes late. Today, let's see if it can beat its own record. Anyway, how's everyone doing? And how are you preparing for Christmas? Today, I plan to close early so that I can come back and film content. You guys, the way things are just piling on, it's like someone is playing a trick on me. Like someone is taking hours away from the day because I don't really understand. Anyway, yesterday, most people wore their own Christmas jumper because I don't even think I filmed it. When we're coming back from Scotland, we were supposed to buy Asha's Christmas jumper, and I stopped at almost 5 stores in the pouring rain. I even decided to go without the boy because the rain was just much. It was raining non-stop, and we had to stop at 5 different stores, and we still couldn't find jumpers. Why? They were sold out. Like everybody had bought almost everything the stores had. So the only one place that we found it was in Asda. Massive Asda store. That is the biggest Asda I've ever seen. Like in the UK. It's like 4 or 5 Asdas put together. It's really big. So that was where we found it. We found a Pokemon one that he really likes. But anyway, you guys, today I decided to wear my own red. Christmas is not such a big thing in my place of work, so and besides, it was just 2 of us at work yesterday morning. It was just 2 of us at work yesterday, so there wasn't really that much of a Christmas thing. Anyway, you guys, I'll catch up with you in the course of the vlog. Remember to like, share, subscribe, do all of that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the course of today's vlog. Honestly, at this point, it shouldn't even surprise anyone that the bus did not show up. Thank God for the person I was standing next to who just called their mom when they couldn't get the bus. And his mom came and gave us a lift to the town center where I got the bus to take me to work. And yeah, I came into work, and as a morning ritual, I made my morning tea and I just went straight into work. Honestly, at this point, it should not really bother me, but the cold is one thing that you can never anticipate, and it was the one day that I chose not to wear a long sleeve. But anyway, the jacket was warm enough, but I just had to reheat myself. You can see me just stretching my hands to the radiator there just to get warm. Please don't mind me. At this point, I had even forgotten that I still had the headphones on. Plus, I was still editing the video from the previous day, so that was why I had the headphones on. But anyway, quick breakfast of crackers and tea, and I went straight into work. Work was good. Yesterday was quite an eventful day for me. And then I did some work, got that done. I also checked up on family and friends. Honestly, you guys, there's not enough time in the day for me as a person. But then I forget to check up on people sometimes. Let's check up on one another. It's really essential because people are also going through stuff. And then it was time to go home. The boys came to get me as usual. I had lunch today, the first time in a very long time, and I'm sure it's because of that bean stew that I made the other day. But anyway, we got home and sorted out the boys really quickly. Like I said, I wanted to close early, so that was what I did, so I could get home, sort the boys out, because the PR products were just piling on and I had to sort that out. Alright, you guys, so we are home now, and this segment has been sponsored by Shein. Shein is no stranger to us. They have sent us a couple of products in the past, and today they have been so gracious to give us a couple more items, some of which I've already unboxed, and you get to see that towards the end of the video. But I got some things for the boys. So this is a pair of turtlenecks. So I got these set for Asha. This is a set of 3 turtlenecks, and I got these for 8-year-olds. So this is what it looks like. It is fleece. It's really warm. So this is what it looks like. It's fleece and it's really, really warm. So that's what it looks like. I got this in 3 colors. So white, ash, and black. So you can put these on under his clothes. You can wear them as is. You guys will get to see this much later. I also got some for Daniel, and these are, so I also got some for Daniel, and these are just 2 pairs. So these are turtlenecks as well, because winter is nobody's mate. All right, so I got this in like a toffee brown, I think that's the color, and black. And this one is more of a thermal wear. It's more of a thermal wear than anything. So Daniel has those 2. And I also got this one for myself. And they also sent me this really, really big onesie. It's really warm. You can tell that it's really, really warm, and I love the texture of it. It zips down here. You guys can see how warm that is. Yes, and it has some bare ears, and I really love them. So I'm going to put this on once I've had my bath. This is very good for lounging and things like that. I will not know any colds with this. And yes, they also sent my boys as well. They sent them some really amazing ones, because I rolled that for you to see. Yeah, contestant number 1 in person of our Daniel, backed by popular demand. The Daniel supporters were clamoring. He is here. He's showing you his beer pose. He's really loving his onesie, and this is his second pose. He's really loving it. Contestant number 2 in person of Asha Bobo cannot be bothered. This is his regular pose. It's very stable. It cannot be moved. So that's it. I really love this hooded blanket that he got. And this is our Daniel, who's just come to just fill up his air. Oh yeah, give the. That's it, you guys. I really love these items. Yes, so Shein has us covered for winter. If you guys are interested in these items, I'll be sure to link them down in the description box. You can also use my discount code to get some amazing discounts as you check out. These items were on sale for their Black Friday, and some of them might still be available, but it took a while to get here because of delivery logistics and all of that. But anyway, you guys, all the details that you need will be in the description box. Do want to like, share, subscribe, to all of that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in Vlogmas day 13.